In this video, I'm going to walk through how to use Memex to create a data app that combines data from BigQuery and a local CSV. Now, to set the context, many teams have data split across warehouses and files, and stitching that together can be burdensome. With Memex Web, you can build a data app that combines data from multiple sources like BigQuery and a CSV on your laptop. Let me walk you through it. First, you navigate to the Memex hub and click Add Connector, and then just choose BigQuery. Now, you'll need the connection information for BigQuery, and navigating the Google Cloud Console can be a bit tricky, so we've documented the steps for you and made it super easy. And now, once you have this set up, you can reuse it across multiple apps. Set up once, use as much as you'd like. So next, let's add the second data source, a CSV from my computer. All we do is upload this using the Uploads tab of the hub. And now Memex has both datasets, the BigQuery tables and my local file that I just uploaded. And so they're ready to be used together in a single app if I want to. And that's the key detail of this walkthrough, that I can analyze these files together as if it's a single dataset. And here's how we'll do that. So I go to the prompt input in Memex and describe what I want to build. Now, I've got customer and usage data in my BigQuery tables, and the CSV is an export of support tickets. And what I want to look at is retention figures in my customer base by support ticket volume. So Memex takes the prompt and then gets to work building. It uses AI to write the code, load both data sources, run the joins, run everything in Memex's serverless compute. So you can think of it as batteries included for data apps. It's taking care of everything for us. So it built for a couple of minutes and then it finished the app. It's got filters, charts, and a workflow that's querying BigQuery and then blending the data with the uploaded CSV, and it's handling this end to end. I'm happy with it, so now I can just click publish. And once I've published it, anyone I share this with can access and run the same analysis without any setup. Once again, batteries included, everything works and is packaged together securely. And a quick note about that. The published apps in Memex use serverless compute, and it bundles the front end and the back end together, which, if you're unfamiliar with what that means, it means that the front end never has to see the connection information to these data sources. All the connections, queries, and business logic happens on the back end. That means it's very flexible, it's secure, and it just handles data much more gracefully than app builders that use, for example, Supabase edge functions or similar for their backends. Okay, and that's the workflow. Connect BigQuery, upload a CSV, analyze them together, run on Memex's serverless compute, and then publish to share. Teams have been using this for internal tools for their businesses, dashboards, and general data apps. And let me know what you built. If you ever want me to cover a different use case in a video, or if you want to try it out for something, just let me know in the comments or shoot us a message directly. And otherwise, happy building.